Recogniform Reader includes Recogniform Application Designer, the powerful tool that allows to develop the recognition templates. A template is the set of rules and instructions to capture information from a specific document, or from a class of documents. Within the designer, you can define any kind of rule, according to the documents you wish to process, using a zonal, or a freeform approach. Also, you can conditionally enable image pre-processing features, specify cross-validation rules, configure information output format, and documents storage instructions. Thanks to designer's visual interface, you just need to create the fields you wish to recognize, set the recognition rules, as well as verify and output instructions. For advanced processing, a powerful scripting engine is available, in order to customize, deeply and easily, the software behavior.